It's known as the Fire Volcano. Mexico's most active volcano spewed smoke and ash over the weekend. This time-lapse footage captured the series of intense eruptions, showing how it lit up the night sky. Mexican authorities have moved anyone living within a 5-mile radius of the fire volcano. One evacuee explained he had been moved because there was no way to leave his town on his own. The authorities have been preparing for some of the evacuees at a civil protection site in the town of Colima.
We also have to be aware that the rains might cause mudslides or an eruption. The important thing is for the people to take note that if we evacuate, it is for everyone's well-being and for them to be safe.
At least 70 people have now relocated to temporary shelter. Mexico's fire volcano is also known as the Colima volcano and has erupted more than 40 times since the 16th century. The view from beneath the looming volcanic shadow shows no sign of abating soon.